how much of a protein do we actually need every day? This question generally arises because most of the dietitians and many doctors keep advising you to reduce your carbohydrate. Oh, you are taking more carbohydrate. You are supposed to reduce your carbohydrate. You need to take more protein. This is the general advice commonly being given by the dietitians as well as the doctors. As per them, we need around 0.8 grams of protein per day. In that sense, it is around 50 to 70 grams of protein per day. So, but do we need this much of a protein, that is 50 to 70 grams of protein per day? This is the question. We human beings are made up of cells. When we say human beings, we are nothing but the cluster of cells. We have around 40 trillion cells. We are cluster of cells, and our cells, to survive, they need energy, and this energy is being fulfilled only by the carbohydrate. That means to say our cells depend only on the carbohydrate for its survival. We don't need, our cells don't need the proteins as well as the fat. They can't be, the protein and the fat can't be used as a source of energy. Even the muscle, which is made up of 80% of proteins, even these muscles also depend on the carbohydrate for their energy. When you are doing exercise, we are doing workout also, the muscles depend on the carbohydrate, that is the glucose is the only source of energy. Then what for we need these proteins? The proteins are nothing but the building blocks for our cells. That means to say the cell structure, formation of cell structure needs the protein. For example, they are like the bricks for the construction of an house. Then how long do we need these bricks in constructing an house? Till the structure of the house is being formed. So like that, the cells need protein as long as they keep dividing. This happens up to the age of 20, around 20 or 25. That means to say the children need the proteins for their cell division. So beyond 25, there won't be any cell divisions. The muscles won't keep dividing. So we don't need the proteins for cells. But still we need the protein after the age of 25. That is only for the formation of enzymes. The proteins are also needed for enzyme formation, for certain hormones as well as wear and tear of the cells. Enzymes, hormones and wear and tear of the cells. That is very minimum protein we need after the age of 25. Around it's of 25% of what they are advising. They are advising it is 0.8 grams per kg, but after the age of 25, it can be 25% of 0.8 grams. That is even 0.2 grams of protein per kg body weight per day is sufficient to keep us healthy. And this minimum protein required is just fulfilled with the dal which we use in preparing the sambar. If you are using a rice, along with that rice, if you use a sambar which is having a dal, even that itself is enough to fulfill our daily protein requirement. But some people, they keep doing a regular exercise, the regular workout in the gym to have six packs or to have muscles, to build their muscles. That is called as hypertrophy of the muscles. If you want to have hypertrophy of the muscle, then you may need more protein. What they are advising, that is 0.8 grams per kg per day, may be required in those people who want to build their muscles. But otherwise, generally speaking, if I want to maintain my health, maintain my fitness, then 0.2 grams of protein per day could be more than enough. Then what happens if we eat more protein every day? Let us see what is the fate of this protein. When we consume protein, this protein gets divided. It will be broken into smaller fragments, what we call as amino acids. So in the stomach, protein gets broken into amino acids, and these amino acids gets absorbed into our circulation. The amino acids enter our circulation, and these amino acids, the body starts using these amino acids to have the protein. Amino acids gets again converted into protein. So little bit of amino acid gets used, and extra amino acids what we have will be there in the circulation. It reaches the liver as well as the kidney, and again it gets metabolized in the liver and kidney. it gets the amino acid gets metabolized and it produces the metabolic byproducts like ammonia, urea, uric acid as well as the creatinine. So the extra amino acids what we consume gets converted into byproducts, that is ammonia, urea, uric acid and the creatinine. These are nothing but the waste product which has to be excreted from our body. So when we take more, when we consume more amino acids, there will be more ammonia, more urea, uric acid as well as the creatinine in our blood, and the excess of these toxins results in health issues. So stop listening to these dietitians as well as the doctors who keep advising you to take more proteins and less carbohydrate. Just follow your ancestors. If you want to have a precise and a scientific knowledge about the health, then only you subscribe to our channel. Thank you.